Alright folks, so you're dealing with a herniated disc? Ouch, I feel for you. But here's some good news. Walking could be your secret weapon to healing and relief. First off, let's talk about why walking is beneficial. When you walk, you're not just moving your legs. Your entire body engages, improving circulation, which helps deliver essential nutrients to your spine. This is crucial for healing a herniated disc. Next up, walking helps to strengthen the muscles around your spine. Stronger muscles provide better support, reducing the strain on your herniated disc. And guess what? Less strain means less pain. Now, you might be wondering, how much walking should I do? Start slow, maybe 5-10 minutes a day, then gradually increase as your body allows. Listen to your body. If you feel pain, it's a sign to slow down or take a break. Another big perk. Walking improves your posture. Poor posture can exacerbate a herniated disc, but regular walking helps to align your spine correctly. Stand tall, keep your back straight, and walk with purpose. And here's a bonus tip. Pair your walking with some gentle stretching. This can enhance flexibility and further alleviate tension in your back. Remember, consistency is key. Make walking a daily habit and watch as your body gradually heals and strengthens. So, lace up those shoes and get moving. Your back will thank you for it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a pain-free life. Take care.